So let's say you have to simplify a rational expression like this. Um, First thing you're going to do is identify that the least common denominator um, is x3, y3. So I'm going to rewrite this as 27x3 minus 8 y3 over x3. y3 over 3x minus 2y over x3, y3, and it's cubed technically, but just talking. So that's just cross multiplication, getting the least common denominator. So now with this, I take it down here, and I'm going to divide, which can be written as this. Flip this one, so this is 1, flip 2 over. So you're looking at that, which would then just be equal to because these two would cancel. Right, so now you're looking at this for the problem. And from here, it's pretty easy. Like these problems, I feel like they look more, intimidating than they are. Because this is just a difference of cubes in the numerator. So just a quick little recall. If you have a3 minus b3, and I'll show you why that's just 2 cubed. That's just 3 cubed. 3 times 3 is 9. And again, it's 27. So essentially what you're looking at is this pattern here. A cubed minus b cubed equals a minus, and these seem challenging to remember, but they're not that bad. So it's just pattern recognition for some of it. Right. So this is the difference of cubes, or the, yeah. So in this case, I'm writing 27 is equal to 3x minus 2y. Because again, it's the a minus b part, and we were looking at 27x3, right? So anyway, 3x minus 2y. And then you're left with, in the side, you're left with 9x squared plus 6xy. Oops, plus 6xy plus 4y squared. And then this whole thing, because that's just the numerator, denominator, right? So then you cancel these guys, and you're left with 9x squared plus 6xy plus 4y squared. And then our domain is x cannot equal 0, y cannot equal 0, 3x minus 2y cannot equal 0. Yeah, I wrote that wrong, whatever, just supposed to be a whatever. So that's how you would solve something like this. We'll do one more. Yeah, we'll do one more. So this one, 7 minus 6 over x plus 3 over 8x, x x plus 3 minus 4. So you're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the least common denominator, which in this case is x plus 3, which is kind of just self-explanatory and easy to identify because, like, if you just put that as 7 over 1 minus 6 over x plus 3, you're just multiplying this part by x plus 3, right? Like the left side. So, right, this is 7 over x plus 3. So once you have that, then what you're going to do is just, chip away the numerator. So what I would do is 7x plus 3 minus 6 equals 7x plus 15, right? Because this would be x plus 21 minus 6, and then you're just adding 6. And the bottom, x8, 8x minus 4, x plus 3 equals 4x minus 12, which you can factor and get 4x minus 3. So now you're ultimately left with 7x plus 15 over 4x minus 3 with a domain of x cannot equal minus 3 or 3.